Very good morning, my dear friends. Myself, Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in today's video, we are going to study the development of the lateral surface of a square prism which has got a base 30 mm, height 60 mm, and this is being cut by a section plane which is passing through the diagonally opposite corner. Suppose this is one of the corner, diagonally opposite corner is this, and that section plane is perpendicular to VP. So what do? We will initially place the object on HP such that two of these rectangular surface are equally inclined to VP, or two of the base edges of this are equally inclined to VP, and obtain the top and front views of the prism. So friend, I will write a square here, and this square has got a dimension 30 mm, which we can show here as 30 SQ or just 30, and we will number this as ABCD. So this is A, B, C, and this is D. You will just join these opposite diagonals and obtain O, the center. And from here, friends, we can obtain the front view by projecting lines from here. From a vertical line, from D, a vertical line, from this point, a vertical line, and the height of this given to be 60 mm. So I have this axis, that is, take a length of a height of 60 millimeter and construct this rectangle, the front view of the prism. It looks like a rectangle like this. So friends, let us number this, and before that we have to mark the height as 60 mm. So this is 60 millimeter, and we will number this as A dash, B dash, D dash, then this is C dash, bottom portion A1 dash, and then you have got here B1 dash, D1 dash, this is C1 dash. This axis is perpendicular here, and I will call it as O1 dash. Similarly for the top, it is AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1, because all these vertical edges AA, BB, etc. are seen as points in the top view. Friends, this is the front and top view when one of these sides is making an angle of 45 degrees, or all the four sides are equally inclined to VP. Friends, adjacent to this figure, front view, we will construct a rectangle of height 60 mm and width is equal to 30 into 4, 120. So here I am going to have four rectangles. Rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, and this is rectangle number 4. Four rectangles, and this has got a dimension 30 mm, and the total length is 30 into 4. So it is going to be 30 multiplied by 4, that is 120 mm. It is 4 because there are 4 such rectangles on the lateral surface. So friends, we have got the development of the square prism, that is 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, and these 4. 4 rectangles are there, and this is how it looks in the development when it is not cut by any section plane. And what do we do now? There is section plane which is normal to VP and passing through the diagonally opposite corners of the top and bottom face. So friends, you can have a line passing through C dash, the corner of the top face, to the corner of the bottom face D, or from A to C. So both are right. You can just take either this way or this way. So I will just take a line passing through C and D. So this is the section plane, which I will call it as SS, which is passing through the diagonally opposite corners of the top and bottom face. Friends, after getting this section plane, the portion that is retained here will be shown by dark line, so a visible line. So I will draw a vertical visible line here, a visible line here, another visible line here. So this is the portion that is retained. I will call this portion as P. And here, friends, the portion above the section plane, that is this portion, is thrown out. Now let us come to the development and mark these lines or the vertical edges. How to mark? If you observe the front view, friends, the vertical edge AA is removed by the section plane, and portion of this BB and DD, that is this much portion, is also removed. It's passing through C. Now since A dash A1 dash, the longer edge is removed, we have to start marking in the development from the point A only. So this is A, this is B, C, D and A. Similarly for the bottom page, this is A1, this is also A1, then comes B1, C1, D1. The starting and the ending vertical line should be same. AA1 means AA1. If you are commencing from BB in some other problem, that should be BB1 and so on. Friends, after getting these lines marked, let us take these points where the section plane is cutting the solid, the prism. So section plane, when it is inclined to HP and normal to VP, it is passing through C of the top face, that is ABCD. So it is passing through C. We get a point here. Then it is cutting the vertical edges BB and DD at this point. So I draw a horizontal line through BB and then till DD. So these are the 2 points we get on the vertical lines BB and DD. Finally, it is passing through A1 of the bottom face. This is the bottom face A1 and this is A1. Friends, we have got here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. There are 4 points we marked. Now let me start marking from here. 1, this is 2, C coincides with 3, point 4 on DD, point 5 here. And for all the prisms, pyramids, cubes, all these have to be joined by a straight line. So I join these points 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. And I have joined all these points. Let me transfer these points on to the front view. This is 3. On this line, 2 and 4 at this. This is 2, 4 and 1 is here. So I have marked all these. Friends, in the front view, the vertical line CC is retained. So this has to be shown by a full line. This is existing. And on this BB and DD, this height is retained on BB and on DD. So darken that. Friends, the complete base ABCD is existing. So I will just draw a horizontal line, dark line on XY. And friends, this figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's not 5, it should be 1 again because 1 should coincide. Along with this base, we will give the development. It gives the development of P, the lateral surface of this portion that is retained below the section plane. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting, and if you like this video, do share this video with all your friends and have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.